Welcome back to Maths with Mr. Chow. In today's lesson, we'll learn how to convert metric units of length. You'll learn when to multiply, when to divide, and how to convert between kilometers, meters, centimeters, and millimeters. Let's get started. Before we start converting units, let's quickly review what we learned in the previous lesson. Remember, the metric units are arranged from the largest to the smallest. Kilometers, meters, centimeters, and millimeters. When we move to the right, we multiply. When we move to the left, we divide. Now, let's see how it works. Now let's learn the rule for moving to the right. When we move to a smaller unit, we multiply. There are three simple rules to remember. From kilometers to meters, multiply by 1000. From meters to centimeters, multiply by 100. And from centimeters to millimeters, multiply by 10. Now let's look at some examples. Example 1. Convert 3 kilometers to meters. Since we're moving one step to the right, we multiply by 1000. 3 times 1000 equals 3000 meters. Example 2. Convert 3 meters to centimeters. Again, we're moving one step to the right, so we multiply by 100. 3 times 100 equals 300 centimeters. Remember, whenever you move to the right, you multiply. Now let's learn the rule for moving to the left. When we move to a larger unit, we divide. There are three simple rules to remember. From meters to kilometers, divide by 1000. From centimeters to meters, divide by 100. And from millimeters to centimeters, divide by 10. Now let's look at some examples. Example 1. Convert 5000 meters to kilometers. Since we're moving one step to the left, we divide by 1000. 5000 divided by 1000 equals 5 kilometers. Example 2. Convert 450 centimeters to meters. Again, we're moving one step to the left, so we divide by 100. 450 divided by 100 equals 4.5 meters. Remember, moving left means divide. Now it's your turn. Can you convert 5 meters to centimeters? Pause the video if you'd like a little more time to think. We're moving from meters to centimeters, so we multiply by 100. 5 times 100 equals 500. Therefore, the answer is 500 centimeters. Now it's your turn. Pause the video and try these three questions. When you're ready, let's check the answers together. Question 1. 80 millimeters equals 8 centimeters. Question 2. 600 centimeters equals 6 meters. Question 3. 7000 meters equals 7 kilometers. Well done if you got them all correct. Great! Now let's challenge ourselves with a few more questions. Pause the video and see if you can solve all 4 questions by yourself. Remember to look at the units first. Decide whether you need to multiply or divide before you calculate. When you're ready, let's check the answers. Question 1. 8 centimeters equals 80 millimeters. Question 2. 6.2 meters equals 620 centimeters. Question 3. 900 millimeters equals 90 centimeters. Question 4. 3.5 kilometers equals 3,500 meters. Excellent work if you got all 4 correct. Let's quickly review what we've learned today. When moving to a smaller unit, move to the right and multiply. When moving to a larger unit, move to the left and divide. And most importantly, always check your units carefully before you calculate. I hope you enjoyed this lesson and found it helpful. In the next lesson, we'll learn how to find the perimeter of compound shapes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.